check. And this is the bike, so you might want to check it. Alright, I got Alienation PBR rims. I got Animal sway bars, they're really good bars. Animal Edwin De La Rosa signature grips. S&M Redneck XLT stem. FitTech 1 2010 frame. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. S&M Toughman chain wheel, you might want to see that. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain. My Animal seat post. And Fit tires, and my hub is pretty good if you guys want to hear it. It's not the loudest thing, but it works. And my back bearings are sealed, and my crank arms are sealed, so that's my bike check.